Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to change continue shopping button link in the cart page in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy and step-by-step process that anyone can follow and implement on their Shopify online store. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to add a product in the open this product, and now going to click on the add to cart button. So you see one item or product added on the cart page. So click on the view cart, and this is the cart page, and we wanted to customize this link on the cart page, continue shopping. Right now if I click on here, it's go to the collection all product, that's means it's go to the shop page or all product, but we wanted to change this link on the cart page and we wanted to add a specific URL from where we can make more sales or get more customers or create more profit. So right now if we click on this link continue shopping, it's go to the collection slash all URL, that's mean go to the all product or shop page. But if you want to customize this URL and go to the specific collection page or product page, that from where we can ensure that we are getting more sales or we are connecting our customers in a specific trending or most selling product, then we should customize it. But in this tutorials I just show you how you can customize the URL or change this URL. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and search cart and look at the section folder, and in here open main cart item dot liquid file and click on the Ctrl F from your keyboard, then Ctrl V and find cart warning. You see here is the cart warning. So in here looks very carefully, we have to change the URL into div section. It's though technical but you will understand very easily. Here is the one div section cart warning and another is title wrapper with link. So we'll change the URL once here, another one in here. Okay, looks very careful, very simple. So we're going to any specific collection or we wanted to link a specific page. So for example only dresses. For example we wanted to redirect to our home page, so copy the home page URL and paste it in here, just reflects this code, looks very carefully, remove, add home. Okay, click on the save, asset save. Now go back our cart page. Here is the cart page, and if I click right now on here, in previous it's go to the all collection page or shop page, and right now as we have changed this URL, so click on the continue shopping, it's go to the home page. Very simple, you can change URL anytime and go to any pages as our wish in here. So I hope you understand and you can do it by yourself without hiring a developer, without any coding skill. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.